Well, thank you very much. I've been making pledges to this nation. We many in doubt whether we will make any progress under it. The man is saying no vote, no vote in any country in the world. I say we name an image, Salone, we name an image at the world because we find. The only thing that we did is Salone for the war, the Ebola, and the many things that corruption, we don't change all of them picture the day. Now we cannot get respect now internationally. We can take leadership of the people. This not to be one in the airport. Now we all airports. And as America can say, man, no one on the PA on this kind of thing because for next we get with respect when you travel in the country or out of the country, trying to make all play with us. Everybody, even in our local community, for me they look here and say, this is for me cheap. Now out of respect. Now how you don't live there. So I just want to make we use this as another opportunity to also say we get a lot of grants for cover. We get a lot of things for make we name back. Whether it's a salon, the member who for good things, the member for bad things. So I tell you all place to thank you and the whole nation on behalf of this nation at the event. Whether you say we to make it a travel, you know this don't know you get some. You get for good drive. If you don't get that, it's done house. Yeah. But if you don't get, you don't get. So I just want for this opportunity to say thank you. Everything we had to do, the fed for Bianda, for Go, Musa Ukomosu, Komayanda, we cannot become Monday, now because we go for another thing when I have the minister, we come for vaccination as a world, yes. Immunization, Salone the lead, you know. We are one of the countries that we don't do very, very well. So the big we, the group, where they call the Alliance for Vaccines, when they put all them there together, who don't get this Mpox, when they don't take some vaccines and also, yes, and then they appeal for on behalf of me we get enough vaccines. Maybe they organize something, but they say they no afford for organize that they make a right letter to other leaders in the world, but they still be one with presence there. So they make a local and Monday, and therefore go back. So like people not understand the work around the worker. You will left the end, you will on the end. You get for do more work or catch up with the one that is in the field. And I don't work there to do. And I hope say this country will understand, say not to picnic I can go back, not to tourism I can go back. Now the same work, only that when you be president, you are the chief diplomat, you need to serve the country to make them know about the good things there. So I say thank you to Una and may we all continue to work hard. Everybody enrolled. Important. Of course, we not primary children, we not go talk about yours because now when I form the building blocks, the chiefdoms there are the building blocks of this country. The way we administer them, now go leads to good governance all over. So I tell the lady, thank you, as the vet for make Salone, be proud part of the international community who said at home, make we accept and they do that thing that we will make Salone better. Thank you.